Matagal mo nang gustong lumipad, ngunit pangarap mo'y ihag ng kahirapan. Matagal mo nang gustong lumipad, pero napabayaan. Hindi mo kasalanan.
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, I debut the next President of the Republic of the Philippines, our President, Mr. Igo Adoro.
Harapin ang hamon ng pag-asa.
With the motorcade, although probably it's not laid out as much as it should be, but Manila, where they say probably the Lakas from PCND and myself are not that popular, they should have seen the people out on the streets yesterday. There was a sea of fear. After that, I went home to my own province to say goodbye to them, and my wife also saying goodbye because she's not running anymore. The day before I was there, and I'm going back because people once again went out to the streets despite whatever is said in the province to wish to bid me farewell, to help in our journey. And it was really such a wonderful thing. After my own province, I came here to Cebu. That's how valuable Cebu is to me. Yesterday, I said in our proclamation rally in Juan Cebu, in Argao, and this is the message perhaps, that I leave to Cebu and to all the Filipinos. If you think that I am not the most qualified or the best candidate, if somebody else in your mind is more qualified than I am, then it is your duty to vote for that other. But if you think that I am the most qualified, I am the best, then your duty as a Filipino obliges you to do one thing and one thing only. Vote for the best and the most qualified. That is the only way this country will go forward. If we choose the most qualified and the best on the basis of our informed judgment and not on the basis of speculation, of rumor, and of passion. Solely the basis of passion. This is the first time that I have experienced people without any political affiliations coming out in full force to support myself. And this places a special obligation and responsibility on my shoulders. That your trust is precious. I hope that I will live up, come what may in this election, whatever happens in this election. I hope that I will conduct myself with the dignity, honor, and grace that your trust requires. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much once again. We shall see each other again, and I will repay you with good governance, clean governance, forward-looking governance, and the will to achieve what the Filipinos deserve.
Sugibocho Doro ini.
Harapin ang hamon ng pag-asa.
Ang paglupad sa usa ka nasod wala gipaagi sa puro sulti lang. Nagkinahanglan og ikasarang og determinasyon og paghiusa. Kinahanglan may inisyatibo, may ada paning kamot, kinahanglan may buhat. Panagpursigi kag wala nagapaanod sa huyop sang hangin. Kinahanglan may kinaadman kag kaalam. Sa pananaw ko, madugay na nga gusto naton maglupad. Ready for takeoff, Tana? Hinipuy Gibucho Doro, ing dating Secretary of National Defense, ing dating Congressman, eksperyensadong piloto, manatiling Pilipino, andang sula po, kaya beyo.
Gibo sabay tayong lumipad. Harapin ang hamon ng bagong simula. Kay tagal mo nang gustong lumipad,